Hi, I'm Amy Timmerman with Nebraska Extension, and this is In-Field Observation. For this week at In-Field, we're going to look at alfalfa pests. In particular, we're going to look at those insects. So in the field that I'm located at today, we actually have two pests that we're identifying in this field. We have alfalfa weevils and we have aphid pressure also occurring. Now, alfalfa weevils overwinter as adults. It is the larvae that hatch from the eggs that actually cause the damage. The weevil larvae are these small green worms with that white stripe down the back with a dark brown to black head. When they feed, they're actually going to cut holes in the uppermost canopy of our tissue of our alfalfa. As that tissue dies out because of the feeding and the fraying, we're going to see browning. And then as time progresses, and if we have high enough populations, we'll see that quality of alfalfa go down in that tonnage because of the loss of leaves. The aphids that we're seeing in here, these are these tiny little yellow dots. And so these have sucking, piercing mouth parts. So what we'll see on damage with them instead is we're going to see yellow flecking of our leaves because of where they're putting in their mouth part and sucking the juices out. So how do we manage these two pests when we have them both here? Chemical control is an option that we have for both of these pests. Typically, we're going to look at those pyrethroid type chemistries, those class 3As, insecticides. But as we're out here scouting, there is also a large population of lady beetle larvae, which are these little black with orange striped worms out here. Now, those insects, the lady beetles, will actually feed on the aphid. If I would spray a pyrethroid, I would also kill the lady beetles. And so then we could potentially cause the aphid population to bloom because we've taken a natural predator away. So when we're looking at that chemical control, we really need to look at the economic threshold of both the alfalfa weevil and the aphid to determine whether we're going to get our best bang for our buck, but also taking into consideration what do I have for natural predators that might be able to handle the population if I give it some time. So we need to take into consideration all those components before we pull the trigger to spray.